I swear, I locked the door that night. Around 2:13 a.m., I woke up to footsteps downstairs, slow, dragging, like someone didn't know how to walk right. I grabbed my phone, checked the security app. Front door still locked. Then I heard it again, closer this time. "Hello?" I called out. "Yeah, dumb move." The footsteps stopped. Silence. Then, my phone buzzed. Motion detected. Upstairs hallway. My stomach dropped. I was alone, or at least I thought I was. I slowly turned toward my bedroom door and saw the handle twitch, not turning, just twitching, like something on the other side was trying to figure out how to get in.